Introducing Workflow Metrics, which gives you insight into work history by tracking how long tasks and projects remain in specific statuses. This update provides essential workflow analysis tools with status time tracking, status change monitoring, enhanced filtering options, and 3 templates to help you identify bottlenecks and optimize your processes. Account and space administrators can now hide all location-based custom fields and custom item types, ensuring only the fields you've specifically defined are visible. This enhancement eliminates clutter from the More Fields section, creating a cleaner, more focused interface for your team. Our enhanced user cards now reveal comprehensive team member information. By selecting View Full Profile after hovering over a colleague's name, you'll access integrated custom field data such as their team affiliations, location, skill sets, and other professional attributes. This streamlined approach provides valuable organizational insights through a refined interface experience. Read more about these and other exciting features in our release notes.